Hello, friends. This is AI Impact channel here, and I wanted to make this video from so long, as many of my friends ask us for how you create videos and put it on your YouTube channel. So if you search generally on the internet, you can get so big like thousands of lists for the free channels or paid apps. But out of everything, I would suggest Sora, which is a OpenAI app, is the number one. You know, it produces the some most realistic cinematic AI videos available as of today. The second app I would suggest is Google VO3, which is also best, but it creates up to 10 seconds of video. Okay, but rest of the apps are I tried and not that best and little bit complicated. And as I said, like Sora is the number one. You can try all the apps and let me know later. So before we get start, you can always check whether it's a genuine channel because with OpenAI and other extension, there are so many websites outside. So always when you open like search for Sora, uh, see for this OpenAI this symbol, which is OpenAI symbol. Okay, and when you click on the Sora, and first thing you need to have OpenAI account before you log into Sora. Then only Sora app will work. Okay, as I already have a Sora account, so I will directly go over here. So, but you need to log in and get into Sora app. Before this, I will just give you a highlight like how my channel is and whether it's interesting to you. You might have already visited my channel, and this is what my channel name is. AI Impact, AI Impact, which is completely based on animals, and I have almost 206 videos to check for. Okay, so if you see my popular videos, like somehow 224K views and some have 180K, 64K, just to show you like and basically I deal with all. If you see my all 206 videos, all are real animals. I don't use AI generated, but real animals. I don't use cartoons or anything. And every video have different idea. It's not every video is unique and no repetition, and you will not see whatever my content is generated on other channel, or I don't watch other shorts or videos, so that my idea generation should not get hampered. So for example, if you see, like this was my first super hit video or short, so I will just show you. It was so simple idea, but it got viral, and you know so this was the first. And the latest what I like is, you know this is the 224K. It's again like when giraffe, this always most of the videos you will see monkeys doing some stuff, and monkey is the one of the animal who can do really anything for you and make the things funny. So this is the one more, like giraffe is not giving giraffe the bananas very easily to eat, and that's how he freaks out and run away. And I will show you one more last, which I like really most. This one, all are real animals and just AI generated. Okay, so this is how you can check on my channel AI impacts. There are almost 206 videos, as I said. So before you go to Sora app, as I said, I already logged in. So this is the main screen of Sora. Then you can either search or in the front page itself, you can see here describe your idea. So I would suggest instead of typing in here directly what you wanna generate, I would suggest you to have either pen and notebook, or use your computer or your phone to generate idea. In this case, I will take notepad. So this is what I already written down the idea. So I would like to walk you through how I generated this idea. Basically, if you just create a animal video or in a simple like monkeys doing this stuff, it will you will not have good results and not funny. You should have to have one idea. In this example, if you read my prompt, I want to show a real monkey. Real monkey is standing and doing bodybuilding exercise with real rabbits hanging to dumbbell bar instead of weights. So here idea is monkey is doing the bodybuilding exercise. Okay, and what we have done here is instead of still plates, we want to replace it with real rabbits. So he is using rabbits as a weights for doing the bodybuilding exercise. What I want to show, because I have 10 seconds limit to create this video and I want to tell a story. If you don't have story or good written prompt, you will not get the intended result. So I want to make others laugh. Okay, so this is a 10-second video, so you got my idea. Okay, so monkey is doing exercise with the dumbbell bar, and instead of weights he's using the real rabbits as a weights. Okay, I want to show like monkey is doing 2-3 times dumbbell arm exercise. Okay, to people know, oh, monkey is doing exercise. Okay, then all of a sudden all rabbits get bored of hanging, so they jump from dumbbell bar and dumbbell hits monkey's face hard at the end. So after two three times, the rabbits will just jump from that bar, hanging bar, and they will run away. Okay, so what the bar left, because of no weight, that bar will hit monkey's face. This is my comedy or laughter in here. Then I will at the end I want to show the reaction of the monkey, because that's where the biggest fun part is. So I want to generate the his reaction. So reaction should be monkey goes angry and furious. Okay, after this happens, and best of best reaction, feeling insulted. I want to show monkeys feeling insulted because of rabbits run away and just bar hit on monkey's face. So but here, as this is a AI generated but real animals, I don't want to insert human commentary. Okay, so that's the reason I am giving this prompt like no commentary, only natural reactions and laughter at the end. And at the end, obviously, like this whatever, if when once you see this clip, you'll come to know there is a laugh, so there is a laughter at the end. So I will just copy this prompt, okay, and I will put it here. And you have to just click on this arrow, up arrow, which is create video. Once you click this, it will automatically generate add into the queue. Okay, so and if when you click your icon of your photo, you'll see this video will start generated generation in the draft. Okay, so here you will see this video started generation. So once this white bar is complete, you will see your video. Okay, so if you don't like the results, I will show you like how you can change the prompt. So let's wait for a minute or so to see the video. In meantime, I will show you my latest, you know, what I created. Here my idea is, lion is the king of jungle. He is riding onto the horse. Okay, and monkey. What monkey does is he dig the pot into the underneath where he's sitting. And once horse walk in that area, he just fall into that, dug hole. And this is how the comedy happened here. And if I on the sound, monkey laughs at the. You have just 10 seconds to make this shot. And here you can see your whatever shot you are creating is almost up to end. Okay, once it is finished, you'll come to know. You will see the prompt here, like your video is generated, and this is what my prompt for this uh, shot. Okay, our video is almost ready. And if you don't like this watermark of Sora, you need to purchase a subscription. These are usually like $20, $50, and it's all depends on how you see. Here you get the prompt when your videos get generated. So let's go to it. See here. See, this is what the result I was expecting. The serial rabbits are hanging. Wait, here, if you see, there are real still weights. If you don't want that weights, simply go here. Remove still weight plates. Everything else is good except remove still wet plates. Okay, this is also good what we generated, but let's see. So you have got the idea, like how you can create the videos. And if you want whatever the video you created, change with different animals, you can change with like remix video, for example. Here, edit caption, report, delete. If you want remix, just say remix. Okay, remix is a really good option, and you can change this change rabbit change rabbits to puppies. Blaster laughter reactions. That prompt is get got added into the queue, and once it is ready, you will see here. So friends, this is how you can make your videos. And as I said, try everything and let me know. Only I can say, like, Sera app is only the best app in this case to make videos, shorts, and you will love it. And you can share on Sora itself. Sharing is easy, It's simple, like you can simply go to, and for download, okay, one second, I will first show you how to, you can just simply say post, and the video will be posted onto the Sora itself, and anybody can view, like, and share your video and make videos out of it. So if you want to download anything, so this is how you need to say share. Without that, you cannot download. Copied link, okay, and then say download. Once you say download, it got downloaded into the your download folder. So you can just simply go there, open that video, and
Here, big guy,
it's
a
available
present.
for you to share on anywhere, wherever you want. Okay, okay, yeah. So this is how the tutorial is. I wanted to show you how to make videos in the Sora app. Just will wait for one last video that to create. Hope you have enjoyed this, how to make shorts or videos into AI and have your own creations. And I would suggest try everything. Let me know your feedback. But this is the just I give you everything, how I make videos, everything. Okay. See, our video is ready. So now let's change with the puppies. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will add in future more better and other ways, online tools to help you guys. Okay, thank you for now. Bye.